Hello, I'm Nicola from Trumpf Italy, and I'm a member of the application team. Today I will show you what you can do with a few imagination and a True Bend Center. This is our drawer chassis, which is 220 mm high. This profile is bended with our patented manipulator and contains both negative and positive hemming. Two guides are micro-jointed together and after that can be easily separated to create the right one and the left one. This is the drawer. You can see how is the precision we achieved for the holes, for the hemmings, and for the radius band in double thickness. We have done it.